Budgeting is often seen as a complicated and overwhelming task, but it doesn't have to be that way. In fact, it can be simple, straightforward, and even enjoyable if you have the right tools and mindset. That's where the 50-30-20 rule comes in. It's a simple and effective way to manage your money that can help you take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. Whether you're new to budgeting or an experienced pro, this rule will give you a clear, actionable framework to work with. So forget about all the complicated spreadsheets and confusing financial jargon. Budgeting can be simple, and the 50-30-20 rule is the proof. In this video, we're going to dive a bit deeper into the 50-30-20 rule. We'll talk about what it is, how it works, and why it's such a powerful tool for managing your money. You'll learn about the 3 components of the rule, so sit back, grab a notebook, and let's get started. What is the 50-30-20 rule? The 50-30-20 rule is a simple way to manage your money by dividing your after-tax income into 3 categories: necessities, wants, and savings or investments. 1. Necessities, 50% of your income. This category includes all the essential expenses you need to live, such as housing, food, transportation, utilities, insurance, and any other bills that you can't avoid paying. The idea behind the 50% figure is to make sure you're covering your basic needs and avoiding debt, while still allowing room for some discretionary spending. 2. Wants, 30% of your income. This category includes items and experiences that you would like to have, but don't necessarily need. For example, entertainment, dining out, travel, shopping, and hobbies. The 30% figure gives you the freedom to enjoy some of the things you want, but also encourages you to be mindful of your spending and avoid overindulgence. 3. Savings and investments, 20% of your income. This category is all about setting aside money for your future. This could include saving for emergencies, paying off debt, contributing to retirement accounts, and making investments in stocks or real estate. The 20% figure is a good starting point for building a solid financial foundation, but you can adjust it as needed to fit your specific financial goals. By following the 50-30-20 rule, you can create a balanced budget that covers your essential expenses, allows you to enjoy some of the things you want, and helps you save for your future. It's important to note that the rule is meant to be a flexible guide, not a strict formula, so feel free to make adjustments as needed to fit your individual circumstances. The key is to be intentional about your spending, stay mindful of your priorities, and use the 50-30-20 rule as a tool to help you reach your financial goals. What are the benefits of using the 50-30-20 rule? The 50-30-20 rule is a powerful tool for managing your money because it provides a clear, actionable framework for dividing your income into 3 categories. By using this rule, you can reap a number of benefits, including 1. Better financial management. By dividing your income into categories and setting priorities for each, you can gain a better understanding of where your money is going and make informed decisions about your spending. You'll also be able to identify areas where you may be overspending, so you can make adjustments to improve your financial situation. 2. Increased savings and investments. By dedicating 20% of your income to savings and investments, you'll be able to build a solid financial foundation and create a more secure financial future. Whether you're saving for an emergency fund, paying off debt, or investing in your retirement, the 50-30-20 rule will help you stay focused and make your progress towards your goals. 3. Reduce stress and anxiety related to money. One of the biggest benefits of the 50-30-20 rule is that it can help reduce stress and anxiety related to money. By having a clear plan for your spending and savings, you'll feel more in control of your finances and less overwhelmed by money worries. This can lead to improved mental and emotional well-being, as well as a stronger financial future. How to implement the 50-30-20 rule? By following simple steps and using the tools and resources available, you can implement the 50-30-20 rule easily. With a little discipline and focus, you can achieve financial stability, increase your savings and investments, and reduce stress and anxiety related to money. 1. Determine your after-tax income. The first step is to determine your after-tax income, which is the amount of money you have available to budget each month after all taxes have been taken out. 2. Once you have determined your after-tax income, You need to allocate 50% of it to necessities, which includes all the essential expenses you need to live, such as housing, food, transportation, utilities, insurance, and any other bills that you can't avoid paying. 3. The remaining half should be split in two parts. 30% of your after-tax income goes to wants, including items and expenses that you would like to have but don't necessarily need, such as entertainment, dining out, travel, shopping, and hobbies. 4. The remaining 20% is going to serve the purpose of savings and investments, including savings for emergencies, paying off debt, contributing to retirement accounts, and making investments in stocks or real estate. Tips for sticking to the rule. To make sure you are going to stick to the rule for a long time after it's implemented, make sure to 1. Be realistic. Being realistic about your expenses and adjust the rule as needed to fit your individual circumstances. If you have a higher cost of living or unexpected expenses, you may need to adjust the proportions to make the rule work for you. 2. Track your expenses. Keeping a track of your expenses is essential to staying on top of your budget and making sure you're sticking to the 50-30-20 rule. You can use a budgeting app, a spreadsheet, or even a pen and paper to keep track of your spending. 3. Be flexible. The 50-30-20 rule is meant to be a flexible guide, not a strict formula. If you need to make adjustments to fit your individual circumstances, that's okay. The goal is to be mindful of your spending, stay focused on your priorities, and use the rule as a tool to help you reach your financial goals. Real-life examples. There are thousands of people managing their budget by having 50-30-20 rule successfully applied. We are bringing you a few examples. John, a young professional, was struggling to manage his finances. He was living paycheck to paycheck and didn't have much saved for emergencies. After learning about the 50-30-20 rule, he decided to give it a try. He determined his after-tax income, allocated 50% to necessities, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and investments. Over time, he was able to increase his savings and reduce his debt, giving him peace of mind and financial stability. Sarah, a single mother of two, was feeling overwhelmed by her finances. She had high monthly expenses and a lot of debt. By using the 50-30-20 rule, she was able to get a better handle on her expenses, allocate more money towards necessities, and increase her savings. She also found that she was able to prioritize her spending and reduce her stress related to money. David, a recent college graduate, was just starting his career and didn't have much experience with budgeting. He learned about the 50-30-20 rule and decided to give it a try. He found that it was a helpful tool for staying on top of his finances and making sure he was allocating his money effectively. He faced challenges along the way, such as unexpected expenses and temptations to overspend, but he was able to stay committed to the rule and achieve his financial goals. In short, the 50-30-20 rule is a simple, effective way to manage your money that can help you achieve financial stability, increase your savings and investments, and reduce stress and anxiety related to money. Whether you're just starting out with budgeting or looking for a new approach, the 50-30-20 rule is a valuable tool that can help you reach your financial goals and improve your financial well-being. This rule is a great tool for managing your money and improving your financial well-being. By following this rule, you can achieve your financial goals, reduce stress and anxiety related to money, and have peace of mind. If you're looking to improve your financial management, we encourage you to give the 50-30-20 rule a try and see the positive impact it can have on your finances. Let us know in the comments whether you're going to try implementing 50-30-20 rule, or if you already have some experience with it. Also, if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up.